Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make French toast toaster step by step. Start by gathering bread, eggs, milk, vanilla, cinnamon, and butter, and preheat your toaster to a low setting. Whisk eggs, milk, vanilla, and cinnamon until smooth, then soak each slice briefly and place in the toaster tray. Cook until golden, flip if needed, and serve with syrup, fruit, or powdered sugar for a quick breakfast. Whisking the custard right makes the difference between soggy and perfectly set French toast. Combine 2 eggs, 1/2 cup milk, 1 tsp vanilla, and a pinch of cinnamon in a shallow dish and whisk until smooth. Dip each slice for 10 to 20 seconds, letting excess drip back into the dish to avoid a soggy toaster tray. Place slices carefully in the toaster and monitor to reach a golden brown without burning. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can keep making useful cooking guides. Quick recommendation. For meal prep and storing extra French toast, I love those leak-proof containers that seal tight and stack neatly, making mornings easier and less messy. They save space, prevent spills, and are great for portioning breakfasts for the week. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Different toaster models behave differently, so test with 1 slice before making a whole batch. Begin on a low setting and increase only if the toast remains pale, and always watch closely to prevent burning. If your toaster needs a second pass, flip slices gently for even color, and use butter or spray on the tray to avoid sticking. Serve immediately for the best texture and enjoy warm with toppings.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.